Ba-dum, bum, ba-dum, 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 da-dum. These hoes, they don't want to stretch out the Fibonacci candles. They really, they be on some bitch shit, but they don't even know you can't. They corny for this shit. Be careful of Robinhood, bro. They used to give out a lot more technicals. They took the technicals off. They think all retail investors stupid. And so they make it seem like that they for the retail investor, but they really not. Now I see what Trap was coming up talking about. Because why would you take the moving averages from out of the fucking graph, bro? Why would you fucking make the Fibonacci candle so hard to read by moving them closer together? I watched how they've been doing this shit over the time since I started making money in the fucking app. What they fucking don't know is just that a fucking real trader is a fucking real trader. And if you do the homework and the research and really study the Fibonacci candles, bitch, I don't care how micro you can make them. That's how motherfuckers can read lines. It was lines before Fibonacci, right? I'm Asiatic, goddammit. The Asians do this shit the coldest. That's that Native American blood in my veins. My fucking eyes. Nah, keep fucking playing. I don't give two fucks. And I'ma own the fuck out that shit. They wanna keep fucking with me. I'm that nigga for these niggas to keep fucking with. Nigga, fuck is wrong with them? Put them fucking 188 puts in on Nvidia, in my opinion. In my opinion. In my motherfucking opinion. 188 puts, cover yourself. Bitch, you drop the 188 up below, we buying the fuck out that shit. Fuck is wrong with y'all? You wanna play? Let's play the game. This is the game. This is the fucking game. This is the shit. I ain't trying to. I go to St. Clair when I want to. I'm not trying to, you know what I'm saying? Well, I go to St. Clair like when I want to. You know what I'm talking about? I'm not never going back home because I can't afford some shit. Crazy. I got up this morning. Excuse my language. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm trying to pull it together, but they pissing me off with this shit they be pulling in the market. I'm a real trader. Robinhood is crazy. They took the moving. They had all type of technical analysis shit when I first started trading on Robinhood last year. They adding other features and other financial instruments, but taking away the fucking technical analysis. Man, my day going great, except for fucking Robinhood. Look at this shit, bro, on Robinhood. That's where I trade at. I never told nobody that I trade, what platform I trade on, because I'm a conspiracy theorist, bro. I feel like they be having motherfuckers trading positions against they fucking, against they clients who doing good. I don't know why. I just feel like that, bro. They have, when I first started trading on Robinhood, they had moving day averages in the graph. They took them out. That's how I was making money. They had moving convergence, divergence numbers. You could click on them and see what the 20-day moving average was, the 200-day moving average. How you add more financial instruments and more financial tools, but take out the technicals. So a motherfucker can't read the technicals. Look how small the fucking Fibonacci candles is, bro. I stretched this bitch out for a year, and the Fibonacci candle's still small as fuck. But I already know how to read the patterns. That's why you gotta learn how to read Fibonacci, bro. The Fibonacci tell a story, bro. I think Nvidia got earnings. And see, these motherfuckers is so fucked up. Nah, somebody got earnings. Somebody report earnings. I don't think it's Palantir. Go look up to see who reports earnings. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Used to be able to see more technical analysis in the graph. You did, bro. I don't know how to make this shit up, but my day going great. I'm back. I'm able to day trade. We up above 25,000, and we could day trade. We could open and close positions the same day. It's a whole nother game. You see, I don't have no day trade restriction notification up here. We going. We going. Like and subscribe. What's up, Greg? Ryan, what's good? Man, it's cold down here, Ryan. Look at this shit, man. I'm getting the hell out of here. Bro, it's snow everywhere. That could mean two things in Cleveland. It could mean the snow coming early or gonna leave early, or it could mean that the snow is here and gonna be here till February, March. Promise you, sometime April it'll be snow out there. I'm getting the hell out of here. December, January, February, March, that's 4 months of snow. And if it stay to April, it's cold down this motherfucker. And it's still snowing. Like and subscribe, and it's still snowing. And praise God, I get to work from home. Man, I get to work from home. That's a blessing. Man, I swear to God, if y'all if you work and you make at least $15 an hour, if you make at least $15 an hour, man, you could set yourself free. What's up, King Bob? What's up? King Bob in this live. You heard me? You heard me? Everybody say what city y'all from. What city we representing in the live. I'm trading live. I'm trading. You know me. Get your 188. If you got a 188 put, it's at 193. If something should happen in Nvidia fall, you don't have to panic, especially if you're trading with your own money. Don't panic. Don't panic sell your stocks. Don't panic sell your stocks. In my opinion, I got to put in on Nvidia. I ain't ashamed to say it. I got to put in. It's really flashing green, which means that bitch might fall. You know what I'm saying? Nvidia it been sitting at 193. I trade in 30-second increments. Let's look. Let's go to a day. Let's go to a day, 1 day chart. And let's go to 30-second intervals. I'm a 30-second sniper, 30-second intervals. And if you look at this chart, now, look at this chart on the day chart at 30-second intervals. It's flashing at 193. It's been sitting at 193. Oh, that's momentum. It's gone. It's gone. I like momentum. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah. You might want to take that 188 put on Nvidia to cover yourself. If the market falls, you're going to make some money and just hold your stocks. That's my opinion. You know what I'm talking about? I just do this just a little bit, you know. Do it a little bit. Like and subscribe. How it's been 18 of y'all in the live and ain't nobody, I ain't got one like. Man, that's crazy, man. That's crazy, man. There ain't no likes in here, man. On Bloods, y'all be tripping, Blood, on everything. What's up, Cud, Blood, GD, Vice Lord, regular people, everyday, average, working American. Let me get out of here, see what I can do. It's some real indecision going on in the market. Palantir about to go blickety bow 200. Bye. Palantir about to go blickety 200. 30-second intervals. I traded 30-second intervals. I traded 30-second intervals. Look how you can see the Fibonacci patterns. They got not on the watch Robinhood, man. Any broker that's take the technicals, take the moving averages out the graph and talk about they for you, they a lie. You just watch them. If you know how to trade, you know how to trade. All you got to do is know how to read Fibonacci. Watch this. You don't take the 188 put. Don't panic. This bitch going down. That's momentum. I don't panic. I ain't scared to take a put. That's what my stock options trading strategy. It's called the Iron Vice. I'm a martial artist. I study Shaolin and Tai Chi. My masters and my grandmasters are written in the annals of Chinese history for Kung Fu. My lineage is based on Kung Fu movies. The Fibonacci battle. Every time I see a momentum looking like the reversal coming, and that's an engulfing. But you see the tail on it, it's a battle going on. I told y'all this market going down. Every time it drop down, it go to a lower price. Every time it drop down, it go to a lower price. You dig? Yeah, I'm about to make some money. This is how I make money with iron vices. You gotta know you gotta be able to spot the current trend that's developing. You trade on the current trend. A reversal is automatically coming, so you kick your reversal trades out. Swing them out. If the bitch going down, you gotta go back up. Swing your other trades out for this bitch to go up down the line. Look, this bitch gone. It's going down. This is why I sold this shit. I had a bunch of shares and I sold it down to like 10 shares. I'm on the whole 10. I'm selling the rest of this shit. If it falls, I'm buying it back cheaper, and I'm going to, and I'll make money on the put on the way down. You know what I'm talking about? This shit is scientific study. Bitch going down. Now I will refine my language over time as I am trying to be a better Muslim. Love to the Christians and the Jews and all the people of God who believe in God. And may all the devils be saved. Whoever you are, I am not a judge. Now, this bitch about to reverse. Let me get out here and take my money. The put stays in place. I'm not even going. The put stays in place. You want to know what's crazy? I had a 195 put in to go in this morning. The contract was like $320. That's why I say these bitches fault. The contract was like 330 dollars for a 95 for a 195 put. I put it in the queue to go through automatically this morning. The price was at like 197. Come in this morning, the option price was up to like $500, and all I had was like the 300. Then went in, and it was like crazy prices. The put prices was in the thousands. I'm like, word? It was just like 300. $320, the same $320 195 put that I put in the queue went up to 530. So I didn't have the money to pay for it on some real shit. But bitch, you know what I mean? Bad. I'ma still get a put in. So if this bitch fall, yeah, now watch. And the bitch is falling. Is it falling? Ha ha! What is that? What is that? What is that called in the model? Mm. I love this shit, y'all. I'm trying to tell you.